is, that's unfortunate.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Today, just gonna chill and get ready. I'm going out to a little get together in a little bit, and want to do my makeup. Figured I'd film it, hang out with you guys a little bit, maybe try some new things. Got some stuff from Limecrime. They reached out to me, wanted to send me PR, which I was like, hell yeah, bitch. And I got the Venus 2 palette here. I have the Venus 1 palette. I enjoy it. Haven't tried the Venus 2. But when I saw the color story, I instantly thought, okay, I need to do some sort of matchy thing with this shirt that I got last time I went to the mall. It says, caring for your demon cat. And I got this from Spencer's. It is by Stephen Rhodes, I think. I don't know. That's what the tag says down there. But I just thought that the color scheme is so perfect. It's like this retro kind of vibe, so I thought I'd do like a colorful grungy moment. So that's what we're gonna do. Also got a few other things that we're gonna play with and try out. I don't think it's gonna be a whole full face of new stuff, but without further ado, I'm gonna get into it. You probably already know what the look I'm gonna create is, so you know before I do. Isn't that amazing? I'm gonna pop some gloss on because this is just what I've been doing lately while I'm chilling at home or, you know, doing my makeup and skincare. Atomic Makeup came out with some glosses, and oh my god, they just feel so freaking good on the lips. Let's begin with the eyeshadow here. I'm gonna use the Milk Flex Concealer as primer, and I'm blending that out with a dry microfiber sponge. Alright, palette looks super cute. I mean, I think I'm primarily going to be using the blue, which is Filter, this orange one, which is Jam, probably Mud, and then Mustard, and maybe a little bit of Boot. I don't know yet. A lot of times I really procrastinate sitting down to film because I'm like, I don't know what I'm going to do. I need to know exactly what I'm going to do if I'm going to sit down and film, but that's not the case. Like, just sit down and enjoy the ride, bitch, you know? I'm gonna put mustard in the crease. Beautiful. It's like a honey mustard, I want to say. Oh, so hungry. I'm dying to put this color Filter. I'm dying to put that right here in the inner. I know this palette is, it's the Venus 2, and they've come out with like tons, they've really like rolled with the whole Venus thing. And they have like a Venus 3, I think, or a Venus XL. Tons of different spin-offs. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like, even though the title and the packaging of the eyeshadow palette, like, who cares? But I really like it when brands innovate and like come up with a totally different theme for each one. Instead of just, you know, coming out with the one and then like, oh, it's Venus like 2, 3, like, I don't know. I feel like I would appreciate it more if it was like a totally different theme, but I'm nitpicking at this point. I love this blue color. It just looks like a beautiful blue sky. Takes some building up though. It's not as powdery as Mustard. Muffin, come here, Muffin. Muff! Muffin, come here. What are you doing, huh? All of that noise is coming from this little creature. Hi, Muffin. You are so very cute. Did you know that? Who told you could be so cute? Hmm? No, he doesn't want to get off my lap. Mommy's trying to do her makeup. Next, I think we're gonna do Jam. This little girl on the shirt kind of looks like Chucky, huh? This one has a little bit more fallout. It's a little bit more powdery, but it's pigmented and really easy to work with. I personally really like these shadows. Oh my god, the magnetic part of the palette, my nails are sticking to it. And then we're going to darken up with mud right here. Just darkening up the outer bit of the lower lash line right there in the corner. Now that we've got most of the pigment where I want it to go, I'm just adding a little bit of mustard on top up against the brow bone. Sounds so weird to just be like, and we're gonna add some mustard. Next thing I think I want to do is a big ass wing. And I have just the thing to try out. Urban Decay sent me their Perversion waterproof fine point eye pen. I just dropped that directly into mustard, but it's fine. Everything's fine. I love testing out eyeliner pens because I'm kind of on the hunt for like the perfect one. This one seems really cool because it has a brush tip. It looks amazing. I can't wait. Let's dive right in. I like it. I thought it was pretty easy to use too. Alright, let's do this side. Okay, so the wings are kind of wonky, but I'm really loving this eyeliner pen. It's flawless. It's so easy to draw with. Maybe a little too easy because I just made those wings way too big, but I enjoy that. I think I'm going to add a little bit more mud in the corner. Stunning, gorgeous, flawless. Okay. I'm going to pop my base on just because I'm just going to run through this pretty quick here, and I'll be right back. Some of my blue got covered up when I did my concealer, so I want to add a little bit more because I really want the blue to be like exploding from the inner corner. And then I want to wrap around a little bit with that blue. This is the one color where I'm like, I need to build it up a decent amount, but once it's there, it's there. Next to the blue, let's add some mustard. Mustard is an absolute dream to work with. Getting pretty grungy with the blending. I really like a lot of color on my lower lash line. Kind of just mimicking what I did on the top on the bottom here. Not being super original. Get a little jam. So beautiful. The colors just blend together and complement each other so well. I want to do a dark waterline today. This is Rimmel Soft Pencil in Jet Black. And then I think I want to take Boot, which is that really cute glittery black shade. I'm gonna smudge that out. God damn it. Okay. And then running a little mustard over that with a big fluffy brush just to kind of blend it all together. Do one eye at a time. I'm trying to blend before the eyeliner fully dries. This pencil is okay. Alright, once it's all smokerific, just gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes. This is Perversion Waterproof by Urban Decay. Alright, blush. I think I kind of want to go with a peachy vibe for blush. I'm going to do this one, I think. Apricot in the Middle by Wet n Wild. It works. What do I want to do for highlights? I'm going to do Wet n Wild I'm So Lit powder highlighter. This one's seems really bright, but it's got kind of like a goldy vibe to it. A little of that here on the inner corner, letting it kind of get on the blue a little bit just to bring a little lightness. And then I'm gonna dab a little bit right under the arch of my brow. Lock it all in with some all-nighter setting spray. Okay. That is, that's unfortunate. I think this little bottle has probably run its course. I have a couple Limecrime lips that I want to try. Can I do this one first? This is Herb, and it's one of their lip glaze glosses, butter and glaze. So it's a liquid cream lipstick. I'm really into cream, like liquid cream lipsticks right now, just because I'm kind of over like the really dry matte, and then I just feel like the longer you own a liquid lipstick, like it can get drier over time. So I'm really into cream liquid lipsticks that are in these applicator type tubes here. I'm gonna shut the fuck up and just apply it. It feels so luxurious on the lips. And there's the finished look with the lip. Absolutely gorgeous, so pigmented, so smooth, so creamy and buttery. I just absolutely love a lipstick in this kind of formula because I can get those nice crisp lines. I can overdraw. I don't need a lip liner, and it's nourishing and soft and delicious. I was gonna try out another lip color. I think like a deep reddish burgundy would look bomb, but I'm really liking this, and I think I'm just gonna roll with this. I think that this is a nice palette, and I don't know what it is, but usually I'm more drawn to large palettes, but I really like that this is a small curated group of colors that have probably been like, there's probably a little bit more thought that's gone into it. Like, these colors go together, and the proof is in the pudding. They really do. They blend together perfectly, and didn't get a chance to use everything. Pigeon is a really cool like duochrome green brown, and then Fly almost looks like it has a little bit of like it's like a greeny gold, and then Marsh, I didn't use Marsh, but wow, that's really pretty. And then Boot, I used Boot on my lower lash line, but all of the blending kind of made the glitter go away, but it's definitely not an overspray. The glitter is there, honey. Yeah, really enjoyed the palette. I really liked the Urban Decay Perversion liner. That stuff was bomb. And I love the lip blaze. I need like every single color. Oh gosh, it's on my teeth. I'm gonna blot really quick, just so that it gives it a little bit more of a matte finish. Hopefully you like this kind of quick tutorial slash mini review. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.